All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol NLPXF. A little bit of a tongue twister there. NLPXF. Right now at 0390. It's just shy of 4 cents, so you guys know. This one came up over here on the scanner. A nice steady pickup here in the volume. But then it started to drop off that we can see right here. It's dropped off completely for the last few days after this buildup. I'm not too sure exactly why that would just drop off like that. But again, this one picked up on the radar. And I wanted to take a look at it, even though it's been a few days since it's been trading again. So, Joe, there's not going to be too much I can add to this, but like I said, this one came up on the radar, and I wanted to make sure that we covered this one. So I don't know if you can add anything with the company.
Yeah, they have some press releases over here. Oh, so you're done on your end. All right, so it was on March 30th, 2017. It was Noble enters binding letter of intent to vend its Wawa Holdsworth project interest to McDonald Mines. So they're out of Ontario, Toronto. Let's see, and it was March 30th. Let's see, where is this? So Noble Minerals Exploration Incorporated is pleased to announce that it has signed a binding letter of intent with McDonald Mines Exploration to acquire all of Noble's interests in the Holdsworth property, located 25 kilometers northeast of Wawa, Ontario. McDonald previously entered into an option and joint venture agreement with Noble on December 7, 2016 to advance exploration on the Holdsworth property. The letter of intent supersedes the joint venture agreement. So the letter of intent highlights it's to acquire 100% interest in the Holdsworth property. McDonald's Mines agreed under the letter of intent to issue 5,500,000 McDonald units, each unit consisting of one Class A common share of McDonald and one non-transferable Class A common share purchase warrant of McDonald, exercisable at 30 cents per share for a period of 3 years from the date of issuance. Grand Noble, a 1.5% net smelter return royalty, the NSR, on the Holdsworth property, with McDonald having the right to repurchase one half of the NSR at NSR for 500,000 at any time, and pay the equivalent of 5,000 ounces of gold equivalent to Noble once McDonald has extracted, refined, and sold a minimum of 50,000 ounces of gold from the oxidized sands portion of the property. So obviously, you know, it's pretty much that. This one right here. But then, I mean, if I go back on the press release, I'm seeing on March 17, 2017, it was Noble undertakes shares for debt settlement. I mean, that goes into their debt settlement. Let's see. All right, so they have reached an agreement or formal agreement with a number of creditors to settle a significant portion of Noble's outstanding debts through the issuance of common shares. Pursuant to the agreement, Noble proposes to issue a total of 11,487,389 common shares to the creditors to settle total indebtedness of $689,243. So that was on March 17th. I don't know. I'm looking at the chart over here. I don't know if it's, you know, if they're done with that yet, but I mean, there's that, and then there's this letter of intent right here. So, I mean, they have a lot of different things going on. Their pink current is obviously a lot of things for any investor to obviously take in and, you know, do their due diligence on. So, that being said, I don't have the time to really do it in this 2 minutes. So I'm looking at the company really quick. So you can, though, over at it's at the ticker symbol NLPXF, board on Investors Hangout. Right there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And once you do know a little more about the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that board.
All right, there you go. 0390. I like the setup here, but just needs more volume. Support at 0160, resistance at 0460 and 0511. A break of the 30-day simple moving average would be a very bullish move in my personal opinion. Just needs that volume. NLPXF, if you're following this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock that you're following, you can do so and let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.